All right, guys, this is it. My finale for my spring project pan. Hello, welcome back to my corner of the internet. As you guys can see from the title, today we are wrapping up my spring project pan. Next week, I will be introducing my summer project pan, and even at the 11th hour, I am still changing it up because of certain things that I have finished off already. I didn't expect to finish certain things off or do certain things, so that's all behind the scenes stuff that I gotta figure out. So next week, stay tuned because I will be having that intro for you guys. I'm so excited. So this one, I had 1, 2, 3, let me just count, 4, 5, 6 products. Last update, I ended up meeting my goal on 2 more, so I only had 2 left. So each update gave me 2 goals, which is pretty awesome if you think about it overall. Yeah, that's pretty good. So I only have 2 more products left, so let's do a little quick recap. All right, so the 6 products that I had in here were 2 eyeliners, 1 lip gloss, 1 lip liner, a powder, and a paint pot. So what is left is an eyeliner and a paint pot. I finished my NYX That's Chic gloss, my NARS black liner in Via Veneno, which was an awesome finish, my Morphe powder, which is wonderful. Spoiler alert, I just finished yet another powder in my collection. Then I finished off the nude beige liner by NYX. It was a lip liner. And that leaves us with 2 items, you guys, 2 items. So this is gonna be the quickest update ever because I did not expect to really go through the products as quickly and as diligently as I did. Even meeting some of my goals that I thought were gonna take me a lot longer. And I have a surprise because it's really awesome. All right, so let's talk about our Mally liner. So this liner is not done, obviously, that was my goal, but we have gotten pretty low on this one. I would say that by the end of the summer, I'm hoping to be finished with this one. I'm wearing this on my upper lash line. I wear this almost every single day that I wear makeup. In the month of June, I wore this 11 times. So that brings me to a total of 58 in total. So in this project pan alone, that's not including the previous project pans that I had, just in this one, I used this 58 times. That's very impressive for an eyeliner. I also incorporate other eyeliners into my look. Sometimes I wear this on my waterline. I wear this on my lower lash line because it's very soft. Or most of the time I wear it on my upper lash line. I also incorporate different eyeliners to not have those go to waste. So today I have a Victoria Beckham one that was gifted to me in my waterline. So I just rotate through them. Some of them you've seen that I've worn blue, I've worn green. I've done many different colors already. I just like to incorporate them. And this one is still going strong. So you will know that this is gonna get rolled into my summer one. So at least you have one product that you are fully aware of what I'm rolling in. So this is just gonna continue until I finish it off. And I think I should finish this off by the end of the year. All right, and last but not least was my MAC Painterly. So this is the Pro Longwear paint pot. My goal was to use it as much as possible. And if I hit pan or the glass jar, that would be an amazing goal. So in June, I got 12 uses out of this in total, just for up to this point. And in total, I got 61 uses out of this paint pot. 61, you guys. That doesn't include other uses from other times that I've had this. Now, this isn't that old. All of my paint pots, I would say, are about a year and a half old. They're not that old. And look at this, you guys. We were able to hit the bottom jar. I was so proud of myself when I saw the bottom of this jar because I honestly didn't think that I was too far, but I didn't know because I wasn't cheating. So I did hit the bottom of the jar and I have been working on it since. Like I hit the jar and I continue to use it. So I've expanded the jar. So this just makes me happy. So next year when I roll this back in, I should get more use out of it. And it's still working perfectly fine. So now that I am officially done with this one, I can roll in a new one. So I'll have a new one in. I am wearing it today on my eyelids. This just works so well to prep my eye primer. Like this is prep my eyelid. Can you tell I am a little bit off today? So this is just amazing. I really do love these. They just work so well for my oily eyelids, and they just have a really nice like base to any eye look that I have, whether it's a cream, liquid, or powder. So I'm very happy that I met one more goal. So out of the 6, I met 5. 5 goals, because my goal was to try to hit pan on this if I got lucky, and sure enough I did. The only thing that I didn't meet my goal is to finish off this eyeliner, and yet again it's gonna get rolled into something else. So that is the finale for my spring project pan. I'm trying to really think about the products that I'm going to use for summer. This is why it's really weighing on me what I'm picking, solely because of 2 reasons. One, I don't want to make it boring. I don't want to make it repetitive and you guys see the same products over and over. You are going to see this again, but at least it's just one product. And 2, as you guys know, I don't wear a lot of makeup in the month of July and August. I just historically don't. I'm always in a body of water. I'm outside having fun, and I don't care to wear a ton of makeup in the summer. So this is where my concern is. I don't want to bring something in that I would love for you guys to see me work on, but in reality, is it really working with my daily routine, in my daily life, what we're doing for the summer? I'm hesitant. So I'm like scared, but I don't think I'm gonna have as much success in my summer project pan as I did in my spring. 5 out of 6 goals. That's amazing. I don't think I'll hit that goal in the summer, solely because of the way that I know I wear my makeup. And I'm not trying to say this to make it boring or prepping you guys can be like, oh, this is going to be a boring project pan. It's just the reality of it. So I don't want anybody to be disappointed because I've been doing so well. I always hit a little bit of a speed bump in the summer and then I pick it right back up. But at this point, 6 months into the year, I have done such a great job finishing and meeting a lot of my goals that some of them I've even exceeded, like to this point. I've exceeded some of my goals and I'm shocked. I really am shocked, but I'm happy because that means that a lot of products are getting used and loved, and I don't keep anything that I wouldn't want to finish. I wouldn't want to use. I just give it away, or I sell it, or I just donate it. I never really throw away my makeup. I always try to find a home or try to make it work. And if I really don't care to make it work, trust me, I have found many people that can get replenishments. I have 2 people that are constantly, like literally, I just had 2 concealers taken out of my collection because they ran out of concealer. So it's always a rotating door in my room. All right, that's all that I have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, for coming along, and I cannot wait for you guys to see the summer one. I am so excited to share it with you guys. I will be working on it in the next day or so then that way I can prepare for next week, and that way you guys are ready to see all the beautiful color that's coming. All right, that's all that I have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. May God bless you always. I will catch you guys in the next video.